So we got 2012 Exquisite Case 11 box number 2, 11:14 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Good to have you guys on board. Thanks so much. There's Prime Time new on the site here tonight. Good to have you guys on board. Who else we got? D. Laredo. Where you been, dude? There's Clark, AGLV. What's up? Jamie R. Who else we got? Barnesy. Big Show. Mark. All right. Dezo. There you go. Linguini's up in here. All right, here's box number dos. Don't forget, guys, we got 2013 National Treasures directly after this. You guys, I think you guys can still get in a break if you guys want. That could be the last break for tonight. It is Wednesday, so I don't know. It's up to you guys. All right, here we go. First card is Joe Washington, 8 out of 85. Josephine. Then you got Tavon Austin, 168 out of 175. Going to Jeet Zeet. Oh, Dick Bear Sausage just told me, informed me that it's sold out. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Are you gotta be kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. I'm buying it. I'm sorry. I'm buying it tonight. I called it. I'm gonna live up to my word and I'm buying it tonight. Treasure Hound. 700. I'll give you 700 right now. That's Andy Luck, dude. Yep. Exquisite rookie signature card. That is it. Treasure Hound, you let me know. This is the first time I've ever seen one. This is the first time I've ever held one. Unbelievable. I told you I needed one. I wasn't going to mess around. I've been looking for one forever. Come on, Treasure Hound, get at me. Don't be scared. That's Andy Luck right there, dude. Wow. That's a huge hit, dude. I'm not going to play around. That's super rare. So maybe Treasure Hound, maybe you want to hold on to it. I'm not sure, but offers on the table. I need it for my Andy Luck Super Collection. 8 out of 99. Then Cordy Glenn comes along. God, Cordy Glenn comes to the party. I cannot believe this. This is, I'm not even joking. This is crazy. 101 invisible quarterback. What? Then here comes just the nastiness. LaMichael, 108 out of 150. Look at this patch. It's really nice patches. A Houlihan in there. See, now this is the front part of the jock strap. So I don't know. It's nice, it's big, but I'm just saying that's the front part of the jock strap. I don't know if you want to PC that card or what you want to do, but I'm just playing around. Really nice LaMichael. Let's continue on. How about a little Jake the Snake Plumber, 18 out of 60. It's a solid hit there. And then you got Michael Brockers, 4 out of 75. You guys must be in a monster lag. We're at 75. The Brockers. And then you got Kenneth McCaffrey, 42 out of 99. Kenneth McCaffrey. Dude, okay, so but for a like on a super real level, like I'm floored that this came out of there. I think we've gone through what 30 cases at least, and we haven't pulled one of these yet. I don't know. I mean, I know we're on. It says case 11, but I just start over to like an arbitrary number. This is insane. So that's a huge hit, dude. Monster. Wow. I told you I was feeling it. Yeah.